Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Explorer. Stock number is A7943. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.